You're on.
Okay, so I've got 4 different kinds of ammo here. I've got the HPR Incom. I've got the Remington after that, 147 grain, the Lawman 147, and a Winchester 147. I have 2 rounds of each, so let's see if we can hear a difference. This is the HPR first. That's HPR. Remington. Yeah, a little louder. Lawman. Winchester.
I definitely heard the first round pop. I heard the first one was louder than the other ones for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Between the others, I don't know. It sounded like the Lawman was louder.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. I have to listen to the video again and check it out.
Yeah.
Good comparison.